See how many join, shall we? Sorry, mate. Afternoon, everyone. We are live from Brighton Beach. Thanks for tuning in. Can someone tell me if the sound quality's alright, please? Can you hear us alright, everyone? We're trying a new microphone. Brilliant, thank you. Welcome Sussex Coast Instant News page. Brought to you by the team of Sussex Instants on Twitter. We are live here on Brighton Beach on this Sunday afternoon. The time is just gone 5:30, so we just thought we'd do a bit of an impromptu live. It is a bit tad busy down here. Yeah, thank you everyone, brilliant. It's just a new microphone, that's fine. So we're here on the Donut Groins. The Donut Groin, if anyone doesn't know, it's a donut on a groin in Brighton. You've got the West Pier over there. This is the main beach. And you've got the Palace Pier on the other side. Obviously we're not here, and we do condone people jumping off the groin. We're not here to advertise it. There's the Palace Pier side of the beach. Lots of people enjoying the cold water this afternoon. Obviously we don't advertise jumping or recommend jumping off the groins or any pier or anything along here. That's right.
Thank you.
Everything's happening. We've got buskers out. Price of ice cream's gone up. And as you can see, this is actually live of how busy it is. I know people moan when we put photos up taken, oh you're on a long lens, you've manipulated it, but we haven't. This is live on a phone, on a gimbal from Brighton Beach on the Donut Groin of how busy it is this Sunday afternoon. So it is 5:30, the tide is in. So it does probably make the beach look a little bit smaller. You can see how many people are in the water. We've got the lifeguards here and the seafront team keeping an eye on everyone. A number of ambulances and police cars just headed along. I'm not sure what they're up to. We have just been told by the hospital and the ambulance service they are stretched today. There's a lot of traffic, there's a lot of people needing assistance. Only call 999 in emergency. Please refer to 111 they've asked for if it's not life-threatening. Again, if you are on the beach and you come across a coastal emergency, phone 999 and ask the Coast Guard. Do not put yourself in danger. But everyone down here is having fun. People are loving the sea. It's probably about 15 degrees in there, a bit cold for me. It's not the Arabian Sea, but paddle boarding seems to be the big thing this year. There are paddleboarder clubs available. You can hire them from down by the I-360. It's going to be probably maybe 50 paddleboarders I can just see. People crawling off in the sea. Generally, it seems everyone's in their own little bubbles, in their own groups. It is busy, but there is plenty of space as well. So the tide has come in, so people have been moved inland slightly. So it does probably look busier near the shoreline than it is. But there is plenty of room further up the beach. Let's have a walk round. We'll have a walk down to the bottom, see what's going on further down. Let's have a look at the pier side. Pier side of the beach, slightly quieter. try not to keep away from the music so we don't get copyrighted and thrown off like last time on Facebook. Down there, that's it. We're going to have a wander down the beach. We'll see what's occurring. You alright, lads? Enjoying yourselves? Excellent. Great, you've got a lovely barbecue going, smelling good. I don't know if I'm going to get through here. But we're going to head down to the groin, see what's going on. No way I'm going up there. Bit slippery for me. People here enjoying the weather, enjoying the beach. They're loving it. Sorry about that, there's no signal right down by the shoreline, so we're going to have to come back up. We'll try to go down the other side, but unfortunately 5G doesn't work when you're a metre from the sea on Vodafone. But we'll have a wander along to the pier, I think. We'll see what's going on. But I have to say, they've got the best smelling barbecue going there. Whoa, that's knacking me out walking up these beach. We'll see if we can get down the other side for you. So we walk up to Marine Parade here, have a look what's going on. So here we are at the donut groin still. The tyre's starting to change. So overloaded. Yeah, well, we're back again. Sorry about the interruptions. Obviously go pier. Yeah, whoever's saying COVID's false, I think we don't need false statements made. We're not here to discuss COVID, we're just here, so we don't need to debate. I think if you go to the hospital you'll find COVID is real. We'll speak to some of our NHS friends that follow us. But, oh, there's a minion, I think. There's the minion. Things you find in Brighton. We're going to have a walk up to the pier for you. We'll show you the view from there, the other side. But yeah, everyone's enjoying themselves here in Brighton. I say it is very busy, but Again, people are staying in their bubbles, keeping apart. We've been wearing face masks and getting out of any buildings, restaurants. You can see there's plenty of room on the beach if needed. Scott's just watched stuff, haven't we? Here we go. If you're watching live, that's Jamie Hilton. He's on Facebook and YouTube. Give him a follow. That's Jeremy Hilton, everyone. He's on Facebook and YouTube. Just a bloke to follow. Absolutely great. We say no masks inside, people are out on the beach. But to enter any building or restaurant, you must wear a mask. Oh, someone's lost something. I think that's Scott Parker. If you're watching Scott, I think you've left your bikini on the floor. This is where our lovely Green Party Council want to axe this roundabout and put in traffic lights. This roundabout's been here for over 130 years, even longer, and has worked fine. But and now I know it's busy, but they want to put traffic lights in and put this down to one lane. You can't cope now with 3 lanes. Ice creams, hot dogs, milkshakes, donuts.
Yeah, I thought there's one.
Should we ever walk on the pier, people? Do you want us to have a look?
On behalf of the people, I'd say yes.
We'll have a little walk on the pier before we will show what's going on. Got donuts, ice cream. How much for an ice cream? £2.650 for a plain cone. Not, I don't know if that's good or bad. Where's it gone? We'll have a look at the pier. Here's the little mini beach. Get this. Look, the people are arguing about COVID. Look, we're not here to have a political debate about COVID. We're just here as a live to show you people out and about, trying to get back to normal, trying to enjoy themselves. Not interested if you're that thick and you think COVID doesn't exist. And we're not here to have that debate. We're just here to show you what Brighton's like as it happens this evening. Let's have a look on the east side. It's normally a bit quieter on the east side, but normally get a lot more room to yourselves over on this side. Let's have a look. But as you can see, all about a mile, probably it's about 2 miles I think down, 1.5 miles down to Marina. It's very well spread out, but it is, you know, busy. Everyone here, it may look like they're all together, they all seem to be in their bubbles. Everyone's enjoying themselves. You don't really get the water sporters this side, more the swimmers. You can see they're stretched all the way down to Brighton Marina, which is about 1.5 to 2 miles away from here. So there's a lot of people on this beach. It is a big beach. If anyone wonders what that tower is, that's the zip wire. What are they building?
Warren.
Huh?
The Warren.
What's that?
Venue for entries in the best venue.
Okay, so they're building this new thing called the Warren. It's that black wall. It's going to be some events venue for the summer, but temporary.
Yeah,
they're just temporary for the summer. So that's another great thing coming to Brighton. you know, they've had a bad 18 months, and it's great to see all these businesses thriving again and open. But obviously, people do need to still stick to the COVID rules as well. But there you go, there's Brighton Beach here, that's Brighton East Beach from the pier. Then we go back over west, and then I think we'll leave you to it for the afternoon. There's not really much else to really show you at the moment. There we go, we've got some people swimming, someone with a donut, someone hanging on to the pier. So it looks like these I think we'll end the live in a minute. We just want to give you a little taste of what's going on in Brighton this afternoon. Anyway guys, thanks for our quick live and impromptu live from Brighton Beach. If anything else comes up or anything happens, we'll come live again. But for now, everyone's well behaved. We've got the lifeguards out patrolling, they've got their boat out as well. So the roads are very busy, people are going to be leaving. So please follow @Sussex Travel Watch for live road updates if you're heading out of Brighton this evening. And any incident on the coast, obviously we report with. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sussex News on YouTube, that's Sussex News. And remember, for live breaking incidents across Sussex, you can follow us at Sussex Incidents on Twitter. But we will be keeping this page still just for coastal activity. But I hope you're enjoying your Sunday afternoon, and we'll just leave you with a few seconds of Brighton Beach for you. Like the police bikes there. Right, everyone stay safe, and we'll be back with you soon. Have a good evening.